Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to integrate Webflow with Klaviyo. So Klaviyo's integration with Webflow enables sophisticated marketing automation throughout multiple approaches. So Klaviyo lacks an official Webflow app, so if you went to Marketplace and you went to the apps right here, you wouldn't be able to find Klaviyo as I'm going to search right now. So Unfortunately, the application doesn't exist, but what you could use is Connect Magic app. It provides the most comprehensive integration between Webflow and Klaviyo, automating data synchronization without code. Install it from Webflow apps panel to unlock these capabilities. So simply go here, Connect Magic. As you can see here, I'm simply gonna go ahead and connect with Klaviyo. As you can see in this picture, so I'm gonna click on install application. Here you should select which basically workspace you're gonna go work with. So I'm gonna go with this one, authorize application, and here you are gonna need a Connect Magic account. So here I'm simply gonna do this, start free trial, and this should be simply it for the account to be created. Now, as you can see, you will need to actually put down your card. Of course, the platform isn't for free. You will have 14 days free trial, but after that, it becomes $100 per year. So once you have it, you simply gotta do is to follow these few steps that are in here that are basically explaining exactly how you can use it. But it's very simple, very easy. You simply have to have an account with Klaviyo, have an account already with the Magic Connect or Connect Magic, as you can see here. So this is how it works with, and then you go to integration, and in integration area you will find Klaviyo, where you will need to actually download it. So you need to subscribe to a plan before using the application. So once you find yourself, you will have here Klaviyo integration ready for you to use, and there you go. So yeah, that was it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.